What are you? Who are you? Why are you? Good morning, Internet.
Hello.
It is very early in the morning. Well, it's not actually that early anymore.
Feels it.
It's 7 a.m. We've just come down from the north. We're here at Wednesbury Parkway. We're about to travel on the West Midlands Metro extension up to Edgbaston Village. And I want to get back to bed. Is there a bed in Edgbaston? I think we need to cover off an elephant in the room here. The beard has gone.
Yeah, have you seen the forecast for this week?
Yeah. The fanfare here and the excitement surrounding this opening doesn't seem to be quite the same as the Elizabeth line down in London. Not gonna lie. Shall we go and ride a tram to Edgbaston?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Yeah, it does need more yellow. Not gonna lie.
More toot.
Be more yellow, be more toot. Going to Edgbaston. Are you excited? You don't seem very excited.
I know. Give me about half an hour to work.
Admittedly, you have been up since 4.
This tram terminates at Edgbaston Village.
Scrolling on screen right now, down here, are my lovely Patreons. Thank you for supporting me. They make videos like this possible.
This tram terminates at Edgbaston Village.
Of course I'm going to get interrupted every time. It's like the Elizabeth line all over again. It's just trying to recreate that
The
moment.
next stop is Lodge Road, West Bromwich Town Hall.
I give up. Thank you for supporting me. If you want to, the links are in the description. As I fall over. West Brom. This is where I say something about football.
Isn't that where Villa play?
No. Now you're trying to wind me up.
That's just for everybody else. That.
I still very much need my coffee. I have a great idea. They should put coffee shops on trams. Coffee shops on trams are the way forward.
This tram terminates at Edgbaston Village.
One of the things that's really impressive is this is a lot smoother than the Metrolink. That's what she's trying to say.
We're at St Chad's. We appear to have lost the driver. That's a bit of an essential aspect to get this tram to Edgbaston. We have found a driver.
Alight here for Snow Hill Rail Station.
Of course.
For local and national rail services.
She never shuts up. She absolutely never shuts up. We're here at Bull Street, which until yesterday is where
This
the
tram terminates at Edgbaston Village.
She also can't say Edgbaston.
No one can today, can they?
No, we've got a lot of back in my day going on this tram right now. I was just pointing out I knew where all the Wimpies were. Of course I were. Of course I was. I can't even talk. Costa. It's not open yet. But by the time we're back here, I think it will be open. I can get my coffee.
Yeah, good, because it's better than arches, isn't it?
Yeah, we don't talk about arches. So this is the part up to Centenary Square. This isn't the... I've already been on this. This isn't the Birmingham I remember.
Paradise Circus.
I miss old Birmingham. Though new Birmingham is quite nice.
And right here for Centenary Square.
Catching a tram down Broad Street. Who would have thought you could catch a tram down Broad Street? What a time to be alive.
This tram terminates at Edgbaston Village.
Now I know you have, and I have as well. I've driven under this underpass
several times.
many times. It's so weird to go under here under a tram. Under a tram? No.
In a tram.
So weird to go under here on a tram. Hello from Edgbaston Village, the newest tram stop in Birmingham. It's so different. Like, I can't even remember what this was like before. Like, back in the day.
A bit more concretey, wasn't it?
Yeah, like the underpass is just not far behind us. We're outside of the ring road now. That was our trip on the first ever arrival into Edgbaston Village, which is where we are now. That's not the first tram, that's the second tram. We didn't leave it because it was delayed by politicians doing interviews. Left 2 minutes late.
Yeah. Always the way.
I'm now going to find a Costa because I really need coffee.
And air conditioning, because it's 8:10 and really warm.
I think the technical term is roasting.
Yeah. Unseasonably roasting.
Thank you for watching. As ever, like, comment, subscribe, all the things that you say. If you like what I'm doing, I would really love it if you consider supporting me on Patreon. Links are in the description. Links to Bryn's channel and Twitter account also in the description. For now, see you in the next video.
Bye.